This machine is designed for making rat traps on boards with hot melt adhesive. The mouse glue is mainly used for catching mice. The hot melt mouse glue comprises the following components in percentage by weight: 35 to 45% of a petroleum resin, 5 to 15% of butadiene styrene rubber, 5 to 15% of natural rubber, 10 to 20% of polyisobutene, 20 to 30% of naphthenic oil, 1 to 2% of antioxidant and 1 to 2% of spice. The hot melting mouse glue is prepared by mixing natural rubber and butadiene styrene rubber in a nitrogen atmosphere and further uniformly mixing with other components in a reaction kettle. The hot melt mouse glue is environmental friendly, non-toxic, and high in catching rate, and has high wire drawing toughness, has excellent vertical flowing, heat resistance and aging resistance effects, is high in viscosity and long in viscosity duration. It is then spread on the board. The size of board and weight of glue on the board depends on the size of the mouse to catch. This video shows 15 grams of glue coated on board at speed of 27 boards per minute.
चार बचा है ना, टोटल कितना था?